All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today, this is pretty much all I worked on, and then I went home after this because this is pretty much the end of the job. So I will be at a different job site tomorrow, but went ahead and worked on 3 of these. So 3 switches and 3 boxes for lights. So basically just not my apprentice, but a apprentice that was working with me did the piping to these 3 new boxes, and I went ahead and worked on the MC and mounting the other switch box and the light box, which you'll see here in a second. One of them is done. The other 2 lights are coming from California, so they will not be done today. They won't be there for another 2 days, but went ahead and made up the junction boxes, pulled the wire, and then turned on the circuit, and then just checked it, made sure everything worked. So pretty much got out of here at noon. So it was a short day, but I will be at a different job site tomorrow because this one's pretty much done, like I said. So I'll be at a school and I'll be working on low voltage, and I'll pretty much be running the job by myself, at least I believe so. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get like extra pay for that or not. So we'll see, but yeah. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Super short, pretty basic stuff, but it was fun, it was enjoyable, it was quick. But anyways, like I said, new job site tomorrow. I'm going to be working on doing low voltage, and I'll probably be at the job site by myself tomorrow, going over the project with the project manager. And then the following days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll have one of the apprentices with me, and then Friday the apprentice is going to be gone, so I'll be back alone on Friday unless I want someone to help me. Then I can pull in another apprentice or another journeyman. But anyways, I'm going to be running this job, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get extra pay or not, as like a foreman or not. So this is kind of new territory for me. At least I haven't ran a job in a while. Have done low-key things before, maybe a few jobs, but so we'll see how this works out. We'll see if I get extra pay or not. But anyways, it's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you guys are ready for a new job site, new different series of videos. Still not going to the original job site that I was supposed to be at when I got this job, when I took this job. So that job site's still waiting. The one that's gonna be top secret that I can't record, that one's still waiting. So I'm gonna be at this school for a week or 2. I think at least a week. But then I think after this week, I'll be on to the job site where I can't record videos and take pictures and stuff like that. So anyways, hopefully you guys are ready for another week of new content. And I did go to Home Depot and Lowe's and I bought some stuff. I'm going to tear apart my house, cut holes in the walls, all that stuff. So stay tuned. I do need to buy a few more parts before I can do that though, because I went to, like I said, Home Depot and Lowe's, but they're both out of 3-way switches. So that gives you an idea of what I'm going to be doing right there. But I also just changed my mind and I might do change something up. So anyways, like I said, it's going to be part of the ceiling fan install. But anyways, I got the ceiling fan laying in a box over here, so I'm going to be installing that soon. I just got the spreader bars for that, the heavy duty cut-in box rated fan boxes, so that'll be good. Anyways, I'm going to stop wasting your time. I might post some extra videos on my second channel going over more details and plans to come if you guys want to get some sneak peeks behind the scenes. Anyways, like I always say, check the description down below for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams, which I'm going to be doing a live stream here for dinner tonight, cooking the last of my burgers, and then hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos to come. And that's gonna do it, guys. Thanks so much. Love you guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.